Welcome to Ultraship in a Flash. In just 60 seconds, let's learn how to create a subscriber list. From the main menu, scroll down and find the Marketing section. Click on Subscriber List to open the page. Here you will find a list of all the email lists you have created. Now to create a new list, click on the Add Subscriber List button located in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear where you will need to enter the following details. Give your list a name that helps you identify it later. You will see fields such as mode of transport, port name, equipment type, origin, and destination. These fields help you categorize your list but don't need to be exact. Scroll down to the bottom of the pop-up window and you'll find the option to upload a CSV file with email addresses. If you don't have a CSV file ready, you can download the provided Excel template, fill in the details, and re-upload it. Uploading a list at this step is optional. You can add emails later as well. Once all details are filled in, click Save, and your subscriber list will be created. And that's how you create a subscriber list for email marketing in Ultraship.